Next video. So today we'll be talking about how to display a QR code for your Flutter app in for iOS without using any third-party dependency. So I have created a normal Flutter project. This is my main.dart file, and inside that the only thing I have changed inside the my home page is that I have first taking the width and height of this particular screen, and inside scaffold I have using safe area, and then I'm using a size box, and then I have created a custom view called my QR view. The my QR view text takes a text, so we want to generate a QR code depending on text whatever has been sent from the Dart side to the native side. And to use generate this QR code, we will be using platform views, and we are also passing the height and width so that we can automatically change the width and height on the Dart side, and it would be reflected on the native side as well, so that we don't have to write that logic inside on our native side. And we would also get hot reload and hot restart functionality by default. Next, if you go to this custom my QR view, first I have defined a constant called my QR view. This is very important. This helps to helps the Flutter engine to distinguish between platform views. Suppose there are multiple platform views, and Flutter needs to know which platform view are you trying to call from the Dart side, right? So for this platform view, I'm given this name. You can give it any name you want. Then I'm just getting the text width and height in the constructor. Then I have created a map, and I'm getting the text width and height again, and assigning it to this text width height key of this map. Then if it is not an Android view, you would be going into the UI kit view, right? And it takes a view type, which is my QR view constant defined above. Then the layout direction, this is left to right, but if you are in a country where right to left is preferred, you can do that. Or if you want some kind of internationalization logic, then you would have to write it over here. Then creation params is the map which we have defined, and creation param code C is kind of like I've copied this from the documentation, like even I don't know much about it. Now next, you have to go to your iOS folder, go to runner, go to so inside runner I have created a folder called my QR view. And first you have to create this file my QR view native view factory.swift. And here again I have copy pasted this from the documentation. This is kind of like a boilerplate code which you have to write for any platform view which you create. So yeah, but here you can see that we are calling this my QR view native view file which we have created. Okay, so if you go over to my QR view native view, here you can see that we are first creating a UI view, initializing the UI view. Then we are getting all the arguments which were passed from the Dart side inside a map, and we don't have a map in Swift, so we will be converting it to dictionary. Then we would getting each and every value, the text value, width value, and height value. And then we would be calling the create native view which we have created down below. Then this function, we need to pass our UI view which we have created. Then inside create native view, I'm creating an image view, and image view I'm setting the image views frame, so width and height and x y whatever it is. Then setting the image view dot image generate QR code which is defined down below, and then I'm adding that image view to our UI view. So this is the boilerplate code which is used whenever you want to generate a QR code. Like I have copied this code from a website called Hacking with Swift. So if you are interested in learning more about this, you can check out that website. Next, you have to go to appdelegate.swift, and you have to write this code. So while writing this code, so you can just copy paste it. The only thing to notice is that this should be the same constant which you have defined on the native side, on the Dart side. And this thing, like my views and this thing should be same. So whatever you write over here, this should be same. I don't know why this is within the diamond, diamond thing, like whatever you call it, like diamond operator, I guess, something which we define generics in. So yeah, this is little bit of awkward, but I guess That's what the Flutter framework requires for platform view to work. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.